I'm going to show you how to time the drive without taking the dial off. This is the bottom of the Kingsbury turret with the shaft detached from the drive so you can turn it freely. We have to pick a spot on the upper U-joint. I chose this dowel pin. First go backwards till it hits a hard stop. And mark the bottom of the casting. Then go forward till it hits a hard stop. And mark the casting. And then go right between it. And this is going to be home, or where the table and drive are in time. If you look at the rocker shaft here when I go forward, you can see that is the shot pin beginning to lower. Now I'm going to take the dial off and show you that this location has the Geneva roller right up against the center post. Now the dial's off. You can see the pin is on the green line and the cam roll is on the post. So you're at home and in time. Keep an eye on the shot pin. Home is when the shot pin is fully extended and has total engagement in the table bushings. It starts to retract just past the post. This is when the table is going from station to station. So you have total engagement starting there. But that's when we're saying we're home. But if we were here, it would still be okay. But this is when we're on the green line. This is where you want to be. Now that we're in the turret, I just want to go over some terminology just to make sure we're calling everything the same. First we have the shot pin. Next we have the Geneva disc or the cam. Next we have the Geneva roll. Then the retainer. That keeps pressure on the cam roll. And the rocker shaft, which goes all the way through the turret. The rocker shaft times the shot pin lever, the pump lever. This is the pump body, and that's the distribution block. The pump body is more easily seen from underneath. This is the underside of the dial. It's an 8-station dial. These are the table bushings. It's what the shot pin engages when you're machining. There's 8 of them. And these are the wear strips. There's 8 sets. This is where the cam roll goes in between to take it from station to station. Time it with the dial off. We want to get the cam roll to the post. I've attached the drive, so what we need to do is loosen the drive in the base and physically rotate it until the cam roll is at the post. Tighten the drive back down and put the dial back on. To help explain what you're doing with the procedure of timing the drive without taking the dial off, I've put an inspection camera inside the turret. Now I'm going to get a close-up on the camera and describe what you're seeing. Now I'm going to explain to you what you're looking at. Underneath, we're on the green line. This is the cam roll. That's the center post. That's the clicking sound hitting the forward set of wear strips or the left yellow line. That's a clicking sound hitting the reverse set of wear strips, or the right yellow line. And that's on the green line.